and that is the business of getting the transition to digital cinema right. As you may recall, I was lucky enough to come to your event about 5 years ago when we were just beginning the rollout of digital cinema, and we were just beginning to talk about it. And I remember going through the halls of your convention over the Pines with a lot of cinema owners asking me if this digital thing was real. Well, I'm back 5 years later to tell you, without a doubt, this digital thing is real. And it is very encouraging from my perspective. It is truly a historic accomplishment for this industry to work together to make this transition happen. This industry doesn't always work well together. You guys in Australia seem to do pretty well with exhibition and distribution working well together. I can tell you we don't necessarily have the same model in the United States or in other countries around the world. And so when you take something as complicated as the transition to digital cinema and you have distribution working with exhibition, working with vendor companies and integration companies to make the transition happen, that is truly historic. And together the industry did three amazing things. First, we developed technical standards before we rolled this stuff out. And if you think about the history of this industry with 4 different digital sound systems and what a problem that was, if you think about VHS versus that other system, Beta, that died, if you think about HD versus Blu-ray, this is not an industry that usually gets its act together on technology. But we did on digital cinema, with standards that promote interoperability and compatibility and make this very complicated set of equipment work together. The second thing we did that was particularly historic was to wait until we got it right. And there was a lot of pressure on exhibitors years ago to go too early. You know, George Lucas personally called me a dinosaur for slowing down this process. That's okay. But what we wanted to do was wait until the quality levels of digital cinema were better than film. And we're there now. We weren't 5 years ago. So those are the 2 of the 3 historic accomplishments. The last one, which is, to me, truly astounding, is to get studios and exhibitors to agree to divide up the financial responsibility for the transition. Now, for organizations and entities that fight all the time about licensing fees and terms and every penny on every ticket sold, to get 2 industries to come together with a business model that is literally worth billions of dollars is an amazing accomplishment. And so I want to thank our partners in distribution, which some know I don't do very often, to thank them for coming to the table and saying, we understand this transition is going to save us money. We understand we have to contribute toward it. So we're going to contribute virtual print fees to make this model work. And those fees are a substantial enabler to get this transition